Namaste. Hamesha khush raho betiya. My name is JBN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you training in dairy plant. In subject name dairy plant management. Discipline is food and biotechnology. Now let's start the topic training. First of all, mission of the training. Basically, it imparts quality training to the personnel in consonance with the vision of the National Dairy Development Board by providing state-of-the-art infrastructure and specially developed training programs in the following broad areas. First of all, quality and food safety, dairy plant operations and maintenance, minimizing milk solid losses and waste elimination, energy conservation and management, safety of plant personnel, and conduct of the job training. Then pedagogy, that is training is designed to considering the needs of the dairy plants and the latest technology available in the dairy industry. First of all, training includes brainstorming, case studies, experience sharing, and group exercises, thereby making participants to think beyond the mundane norms and procedures. The classroom sessions comprises of ice-breaking session, that is question and answer sessions, and group or individual presentations. The sessions are delivered by the experienced professionals from dairy industry and educational institutes. Dairy plant visits for exposure to latest technological developments, hands-on training at workshop, e-learning and 3D module. Post-training support is provided to the participants. Then infrastructure. Pictures campus with peaceful environment spread over an area of 17.5 acres with the gardens, trees and variety of flora and fauna. Two modern air-conditioned classrooms with a combined seating capacity of 50 participants, including latest teaching aids to make learning a pleasant and memorable experience. A good lodging facility for participants, in-house mess, that is hygienic food is provided to the participants, workshops with demo and functional models of dairy equipment for better understanding of classroom sessions, recreation room, that is a comfortable place for participants to sit together and discuss today's proceedings or simply relax watching TV or reading newspapers and latest magazines. Then library, a library is well equipped with training manuals and related dairy journals. Then training programs. First is sustainable dairy plant operations. It includes new developments in energy and water management, advances in automation in dairy industry, waste management in dairy sector, total productive maintenance, environmental safety management system. Then product process development. It includes the cheese, ice cream, indigenous dairy products, and milk processing and packaging. Then food safety, quality and regulatory environment. It includes the overview of the food regulations and food safety and quality management system. Then financial and physical performance analysis of dairy cooperative industry, which includes the finance for non-finance personnel, costing tools and techniques for managerial decision making, and it also includes areas of cost reduction, cost of quality and Kaizen, major areas for decision making and project management. Then human resource development, that includes the legal compliances in dairy industry, business process re-engineering, process analysis or management and operation management. Then leadership, team building, motivation and conflict management. Then enhancing innovations and its management, basically it includes the stress management. Then practical field visits, it includes the equipment operations and maintenance, energy management, product process development and plant automation. Then minimizing milk solid losses. Then objective is to make dairy business sustainable and maximize profit by reducing the milk solid losses, leading to improved financial health of the dairy. To enable participants to identify major area of losses and measures to minimize milk solid losses, then target group is dairy plant professionals and content is identifying areas and quantum of losses in dairy plants, recovery systems and its financial implications, good manufacturing practices to be followed for minimizing losses, record keeping and milk solids losses, accounting system. Then recent Innovations for loss reduction, importance of QA and good laboratory practices in minimizing solid losses, case studies and classroom calculation, experience sharing and benchmarks, then dairy plant visits. Clean milk production and operation and maintenance. The objective is to enable participants to understand importance of clean milk production and implementation and to impart knowledge of operation and maintenance. Target group is field supervisors, extension officers and dairy professional working in areas related to bulk milk cooler unit and automatic milk collection unit. Contents is milk, its composition and quality aspects, CMP and its importance in a supply chain, hazard prevention, cleaning, hygiene, then basic concept of milk cooling, types of bulk milk coolers, operation and maintenance, troubleshooting of PMC, then voltage stabilizers, cleaning procedure of BMC unit, investment versus long-term benefits of installing BMCs, operation and maintenance of DG set, component of automatic milk collection unit, hardware, analyzer, EWS, and EMT. Study visit to the Village Dairy Cooperative Society. Then quality and food safety for dairy plant. Its objective is to create awareness about the quality and food safety requirement and its implementation. Target group is dairy plant professionals. Contents is including the quality and food safety management, total quality management concept and principles related to milk and milk products. Fundamentals and implementation of ISO 9001 to 2008, ISO 22000, 2005 standard, then hazard analysis and critical control points, prerequisites for implementation of quality and food safety management systems including GHP and GMP. Dairy microbiology and its importance in dairy industry, FSSAI standards for dairy industry, food quality issues under Codex, then personal and plant hygiene, cleaning chemical sanitizers and their properties and its importance of CIP, cleaning schedule and its implementation, and study visit of QA laboratory. Then efficient steam generation and distribution boiler, basically its objective is to understand steam generation and HPLP distribution networks, energy conservation and cost reduction in steam generation. Target group is dairy plant professionals. Content is the type of boilers, burners, mountings and accessories, different boiler fuels, combustion process, steam generations and distribution, quality of steam and boiler, blow down. Operating parameters affecting boiler performance, boiler efficiency, losses, costing of steam and case studies. Valve and feed water pumps, feed water treatment, operation of water softening plant and safety measures in boiler operation and maintenance, recent innovations, and it's the study visit of boiler section of a dairy plant. Training is also done by the classrooms and by some video lectures online and by studying the case study and by various methods. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you very much for watching this video.